Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the on-screen keyboard on MSI Stealth. So to open the on-screen keyboard, there are two types of on-screen keyboards. The first one is more legacy, but it has more buttons, whereas the second one has less buttons but is better adjusted for the touch screens and all of that. So the first one can be, if you have access to a keyboard but want to use the on-screen keyboard for any reason while your keyboard still works, you can click on Windows Alt and O on your keyboard. I mean Control Windows O on your keyboard. Then you can just click on anything, you can resize it, you can go to options. Let's resize it. You can go to options here and turn on the numpad. So there's multiple things that you can do here. Then the second method is right click on your taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Then go to touch keyboard, and always, by the way, I've forgotten how to tell you how to open the on-screen keyboard if you don't have access to the keyboard. So you can just go to settings, accessibility, then go to to the keyboard and turn on on-screen keyboard. It'll work the same as the keyboard shortcut, but now as I've on the taskbar settings, I've set the touch keyboard to always. Now I can find the keyboard button here and I can open it, and it's better for touch screen. So if you have a touch screen connected or a graphics tablet and want to use it for that matter, then it's gonna be pretty great and much better, I guess, than that previous one. You can set the keyboard layout to a different one. This is floating as well. Then here you have the split for typing with thumbs, and of course the traditional one, which has a bit more buttons but not as much as the on-screen keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.